Chicago Open University, in collaboration with Gates CCR LLP and the World Sikh Chamber of Commerce, hosted a prestigious convocation at the Constitution Club of India, New Delhi. The university conferred to the Doctor of Honoris Causa Award and Lifetime Achievement Award and Women Excellence Award on distinguished personalities from their exemplary contribution to the society and industry, presided over by the University Vice Chancellor. A remarkable celebration of excellence and leadership, the prestigious event witnessed the gracious presence of Prashant Tiwari, Editor-in-Chief, Opinion Express, Pramjit Singh Chadha, Chairman, WSCC, Dr. Amit Sehgal, Director, Sharda Lunchpad, Swami Prameshwar Das Maharaj, Bhai Sahab Jiani, Ranjit Singh Ji, Head Guarantee of Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Jitendra Manjeet Singh GK, former President DSGMC, Sri Amrinder Khachua, former High Commissioner MEA, Mr. Rashmindra Kasturba, former Ambassador of India, several other industry leaders among other distinguished guests. A total of 49 eminent awardees from the India, Greece, Geneva and Saudi Arabia were honored for their exceptional achievements and contribution, highlighting the spirit of empowerment. 20 extraordinary women, including a cancer survivor turned entrepreneur, were recognized across 8 categories for their outstanding leadership and in various categories. This event also marked the launch of Excellence Chronicles, a special commemorative book co-authored by the awardees celebrating their inspiring journey. Chicago Open University reformed its mission to recognize and elevate transformational leadership beyond conventional academia.
Good evening. It's wonderful to be here. We had a wonderful convocation ceremony of Chicago Open University. This is the fourth convocation we had where awardees are honored from honoris causa field, lifetime achievement field, and excellence field. So lifetime was 7 marvelous persons from different fields who did too much contribution, who did tremendous contribution for the society. And then we had around 49 honoris causa. They also contributed, they set standards, they set up new benchmarks, and they mentored, they trained people, they were all awarded. Then we had excellence award are the women categories in from 8 different fields. And these women are marvelous. They are entrepreneurs, they are thought leaders, they are they are into different activities like hospitality, social service. They are what you call social entrepreneurs, and they all got awarded. We had chief guest, very important chief guest who came and blessed this occasions. We had about 30 odd guests of honor from different fields. They came and they inspired the entire convocation of awardees and the people in the function with their thought process and with their blessings, with their words of wisdom. So it was wonderful. And the honoris causa, they have written articles which is published in the book, which is the name Excellence Award. So all their articles in their field are published. And this is immense work. And some of the work is so good. They have written with all their what you call case studies. So it is like a research by itself. It's huge, it's amazing, and it's very lot of information which has come through. Um, Rest, yes, we had this excellent book launch, which was co-authored by over 31 co-authors who have provided their articles. And overall, it was excellent. I'm so excited by the end of the day, and we look forward to many of these. Now, these honoris causa they fill the gap between the industry and the academic, and the recognition gives more, sustains their motivation, and the recognition and the motivation together, it creates a ripple effect. So we wish them all the success, and they are our true ambassadors. Chicago Open University also has 18 department of professional studies, and these professional studies ranges from cybersecurity, hospitality management, entrepreneurship, and we look forward to many of the courses. There is a special course which is for life skill, which is like professional skill, which is mandatory for. We are trying to make it mandatory for all the college students while they do their mainstream study. They also study this, and that will make them efficient in inner engineering, which is communication, belief system. It will make them good in digital media. They will have hands-on experience and knowledge and in cybersecurity and also drone. Because drone is such a thing. In the next 2 years, we will all have drones in the house the same way we have our bikes and cars. So it was amazing overall, and thank you so much for everyone.
सर आपका नाम और सबसे पहले और आपका अवार्ड के बारे में और कितने लोगों को डॉक्टर का अवार्ड दिया, कितने लाइफ टाइम अचीव, कितने महिलाओं को दिया? ठीक है.
I'm Dr. R.K. Gupta, the Vice Chancellor of Chicago University International. Today, the fourth convocation took place on the 2nd of November at the Constitution Club of India, where we have given to about 50 odd candidates the Honoris Causa doctorate certificate, and about 10 odd we have given lifetime achievement, and about 30 odd women entrepreneurship award certificates. These awards have been given to people who have achieved and status in their family, in their society. It could be a scientist, it could be a chartered accountant, it could be anybody, wherein they have been given for their contribution to the society, right from the Honoris Causa to the lifetime and to the women entrepreneurship. This time we have introduced women entrepreneurship because we have been getting a lot of inquiries that you are not encouraging in women entrepreneurship. So we started this time and we have awarded to our 30 odd ladies the entrepreneurship along with WSCC, the World Sikh Chamber of Commerce, where Parmeet Singh ji has been the founder president who has supported us very strongly in this. My inspiration for the entire thing has been Ms. Bhavna Gupta, who is the pillar post for the entire event. My entire team of Chicago Open University in the office have been a great inspiration who has really done this show very well. I thank everybody who has attended this program today, and I really look forward to seeing everybody again in the next convocation, which will be taking place in January or February 2026 as such. Thank you so much.
What would you give the message to awardees today?
The awardees' message would be that the award which have been given to them is for their achievement. So so they should continue their good work which they have been giving to the society so far. They should give on this doctorate now to more people so that the award which has been given as a doctorate should reach to far-reaching people so that more and more people will be encouraged to get this award certificate. Thank you.
आज हम यहाँ पे शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी के जो कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में सारे इकट्ठे हुए हैं, 60+ जो जिन्होंने डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री से प्रदान की गई है, जो कि देश विदेश से लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं, 25+ वुमेन एक्सीलेंस के अवार्ड दिए गए हैं. आज एक इतना भव्य दृश्य देखने को मिला है यहाँ पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में कि लोग जिन्होंने अपनी अपनी फील्ड में, सोशल वर्क में, एकेडेमिया में, आईटी में, टेक्नोलॉजी में कोई काम किया, उनको यहाँ पे आज सम्मान दिया गया. और इस तरह से सम्मान होते रहने चाहिए. मैं फिर से श्लाघा करता शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी. I appreciate Chicago Open University for giving opportunity to people who excel in their fields and facilitate them with honorary causa doctorate. And I congratulate the women empowerment and the 25+ women who have been selected for Women Achievers Award. So it is a beautiful atmosphere and बहुत अच्छा एक कार्यक्रम हो रहा है. भावना गुप्ता जी, R.K. गुप्ता जी और यहाँ पे सबने मिलके, राम रतन ग्रुप जी ने इसको स्पॉन्सर किया. वर्ल्ड सिख चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स, जिसकी चेयरमैन की सेवा मैं संभाल रहा हूँ, मेरी टीम के साथ में मिलके हमने ये अवार्ड अभी संपन्न किया है. और इस तरह से अवार्ड रेगुलर हम लोग हर क्वार्टर में करेंगे ताकि जो भी कोई अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उनको आगे लेके आया जाए. और पूरे ही गणमान्य व्यक्ति यहाँ पे चीफ गेस्ट बन के आए थे. लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड भी दिए गए. 8 लोगों को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड दिए गए जिन्होंने अपने अपने क्षेत्र में बड़ा बढ़िया काम किया. सो फिर से बधाई देता हूँ जिनको ये डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री मिली. वुमेन अचीवर्स को बधाई देता हूँ जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा काम किया ताकि उनको अवार्ड मिले। और साथ में शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी और उनकी इंडिया की रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को बधाई देता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
आपका नाम सर बता दीजिए।
परमीत सिंह चड्डा, वर्ल्ड सिख चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स ग्लोबल चेयरमैन।